Okay, let's try this again. So now we tried this before, and it was very strange what ended up happening with this. So anyway, here we're going to try it again. We have the three phones. We have the popcorn kernels in the middle. We actually went and changed the ringtones for all the phones. It might change the frequency. I'm not sure, but here we go. Everybody ready?
Let's do it. Yes.
All right, and 3, 2, 1, call. Okay, there's one. There we go. Let's see what happens. Took a little bit longer last time. I heard something. There's something going on. Anyone else feel that?